you're soldering, does anyone else get that intrusive thought just to take the solder and your really hot soldering iron and just put it straight through the middle? Kind of really want to do it. I feel like it'd be really satisfying. Also, ruin the solder. Is it just me? Look at it, all neat on the reel. Just really want to just right through the middle. Anyway, currently, woo. But yeah, what I really want to do is go. I know it's not just me. So, what's your most intrusive thought when you're soldering or making stuff? Anyway, this is the point where I realised I'd actually just completely done it wrong and had to undo it all and put it back together again because I'd been paying more attention to trying to time lapse it.